Please stop. Don't trade today until you see this. Abu 001 is here. Kindly let's let's break down the market down. Let's break down the market for you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are calling in from. You already know my name is. You already know what we are doing in this. We do our data, daily analysis, and I want to use this medium. Please kindly spare me some minutes out of your some minutes, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes out of your time to look this daily opportunity before you start trading, before you start putting your before you start placing any trade. For those of you that are using my signal, please kindly don't forget to use proper risk management. And for those of you that for those of you that my video just pop up into your screen, please kindly don't forget to press the subscription. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. So let's quickly go into the chat and see what the chat has for us. Before we go into the chat, you already know what we are doing. We first of all check maybe there is a high pattern with the fundamental analysis. Maybe there is news on the pair we are trading. And this is today is Thursday. This is the la this is the and what we are having USD news, but the news are not high impact news, so definitely we will not focus on this. So let's just the one that these are medium impact news, these are lower impact news. The red one is high impact news, and there is no high red on this chart today. So let's quickly go into the chart and see what the market has for us. Before you go into the chart, please, if you want more of this every day, if you want more of this, please kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. The app are welcome. This is the chart. This is where we are. This is the chart and what we are giving. You already know we started from daily time frame. This is our daily time frame analysis, and this is our swing high as usual. If you see the video, Tuesday video, and Wednesday video, previous video, you will see that this is our intert swing high and intert swing low. These are our swing low, and these are what minor swing. These are minor swing. These are minor swing low. So this is what the market is doing on daily time frame. You can see what the market is doing on daily time frame. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of sort of to downtrend. You can see what the market is doing, and let's just read the structure. On 4 hour time frame, what do we do? We do our that 4 hour time frame is our analysis time frame. 4 hour time frame is our analysis time frame, and 1 hour time frame too is our analysis time frame also. You can see this is break of structure. This is this is demand turn to what? Turn to change of character. This break of structure, this break of structure. Market swept all this liquidity mitigate this demand, and the market give us what? Liquidity swept here. You can see market gave us liquidity swept here. After the market gave us liquidity swept here, let's just read this recent trend. This is the recent trend. You can see this is break of structure. Market broken. So this liquidity. Market has already give us market structure shift. Market gave us market structure shift here, and this is the supply. This is the minor supply market just mitigated. You can see the minor supply market mitigated. So let's see if we can see break to the uptrend. But now let's just read this recent trend. Recent trend. This is the recent trend we have to read now. This is the recent break of structure. You can see. But the recent break of structure is not valid from because market does not retrace 50%. Seriously, if the market retraces 50%, we said the place is still valid. You can see market does not retrace 50%, and let's just be expecting market to come down. This will serve as our liquidity. This will serve as liquidity. So this is where the market is. Market is in this supply, but let's see where this what this supply is trying to do. Maybe it's going to push it down, or market is going to break it and continue the uptrend. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. On 1 hour time frame, there is what there's FEG. This is an order block. But this order block, I do not respect this market seriously. I do not respect this market, but we don't know what market is trying to do. But since we do not have news, since we do not have news, let's just continue the trend. Since there is no news, but let's just continue the trend. On 1 hour time frame, we are having order block over there, and our stop loss will be below here. Seriously, our stop loss will be below over there. Excuse me, sorry for that. This is what I'm saying. On 1 hour time frame, the market is giving us break of structure, and this is the other block. All this please, so our market, our stop loss will be below here. So this is what I'm saying. If we can see a uptrend again, so definitely the market will just broken that place, continue the uptrend. This is our TP or DC. This will be our TP. So there is no news today with news because news, as I used to say, news does not create trend. It just continue the trend. Whereas when news give us high impact news, continue give us volatility to continue the trend. Maybe you can, if you can see any red, let me show you. Maybe a huge candle flag down like this. Let's move to the hair like this. This red, this red that spark down is news. It's news that's make it splash down. So any which red that's any black that spark up or was down, that's what the news do for us. Volatility. News just give us volatility, but it does not continue it continue the trend, but does not create the trend. But now, as for now, news if the news spark, we just continue we just find where to set the liquidity. Maybe this liquidity swept it and continue the, but as for now, when there is no news, let's continue the trend. We are buying from here, seriously. We are buying the market from there. Let me just place the opportunity. So this is what we are having. This is the buy. This is the recent buy we are having. If possible, market is going to break this supply. Since we do not have news, let's just continue the trend. Seriously, let's continue the trend. So let's move to Sliver. Let's see what Sliver has for us. Let's see what Sliver has for us. For weekly time frame, from daily time frame, sorry. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. This is our major swing low. And these are what minor swing low now. You can see how the market is doing. The market is all giving us what is like. So let's move on the 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This market is just know that we are continuing the bullish because market has break this supply zone for us. So market break this supply zone, mitigated it, retest it. Market just break this supply zone again. So definitely let's just find where opportunity is and continue the uptrend. We are continuing the uptrend. Seriously, we are continuing the uptrend. And you can see as far as time frame, this is the break of structure uh, a demand zone turn to what change of character. After that, this is break of structure, this is break of structure. The market shape this liquidity get this opportunity, demand opportunity. After market, we get a market shape this. After market give us liquidity swaps, market give us in this internal market give us what break of structure, change of character. So there's FEG. This is the supply zone here. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's move to 1 hour to define this opportunity. This is 1 hour time. This is what FEG. Market mitigated is. These are the trade we took. This is Monday trade, and this is Tuesday. This is another more Tuesday trade. So this is what the market is trying to give us. After market broken this supply zone, definitely this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure market gave us here on 1 hour time frame. And this is the other block we are seeing here. So let's see if the market may come back there to continue the bullish. This is what I'm having. I'm still expecting the market to come back here to continue the bullish. So our take profit will be here. Let's see what market is trying to do. This is what we are having buy from here, and we are having buy from here also. Let's see what market is trying to do for us. So let's move to USDT. Let's see what opportunity USDT is trying to give us. This is USDT. This is daily time frame. These are our swing high here, and these are our swing rule here. This is break of solo to downtrend. This change of character. And let's move to 4 hour time frame to read the structure very well. Our analysis strategy. This is, we can see this is break of change of character, break of structure, and this is the last break of structure market just gave us. But the market was not mitigated this demand and continue the uptrend. But what I'm expecting now, if these 4 hours give me break of structure, that is what I'm looking. But you can see this 4 hour has not given us break of structure yet. So it does not give us break of structure, it does not give us liquidity sweats. So this is what the 4 hours is giving us. And I cannot take this. 4 hours give me what this was 4 hours, but on 1 hour time frame, you can see break of structure. You can see this is break of structure, but this break of structure is not valid for me, seriously. It's either I wait for the market. This place is still an opportunity for us. Since Monday, as we have said, this is an opportunity. This is still an opportunity for us, seriously. Let us be patient. Let's just be patient on this opportunity. If possible, market is coming down, market will get before you can still continue uptrend, because there is the higher market created. So market may just continue it. So let's just wait. This is a liquidity for us. This is a liquidity for us. Market need to sweat. Seriously. It's a liquidity for the market need to sweat. So let's just wait. Let's see what market is trying to do. For 1 hour time frame, this is not break order for me. So this are liquidity for me on 1 hour time frame. You can see this are liquidity market need to sweat. Again. Market need to sweat this all this liquidity. And on 1 hour time frame, what we are having, this is what we are having on 1 hour time frame. We are having break of structure here. And other block over here. Let's see, maybe this other block is going to correct. Market is going to what? Is going to respect this other block. Let's see. Let's see what market is trying to do. Let's see if market is going to respect this other block. This is what I'm seeing on 1 hour time frame. But on 4 hour time frame, market has not given break also. So let's just wait if this can continue, if this market can continue from here. So let's just, because we have FEGs, let's see if this market can continue. And there's always one our liquidity, and there's FEG here. Let's see if that other block is still valid for us. Let's take our TP. Let's take our TP here. Let's take our take profit here. Because this place we serve as skill level. These 4 hours we serve as resistance. So if market probably coming back, this is where we are taking our TP. So that is where we are taking our TP. But let's see if this we can see a continuation from here. Because on one on we are seeing what we are seeing. This is what I'm seeing. Seriously, I'm seeing this will make a construct. On this, what I'm seeing, let's just wait. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. So let's move to GJ. GU. Let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is having for us. On 2 minute time frame, we will see it's aligned with it. You can see 2 minute time frame it's aligned with it. And our stop loss will be below here. You can see our stop loss is below here. But all this one will serve as liquidity problem. But let's see if the market can just all this liquidity can sweat market because there's FEG here. On 1 hour time we can see the FEG is falling. There's FEG here. Let's see if this FEG can just push the market up again. But 4 hours is giving us this. This is what 4 hours is giving us. So I'm still expecting downtrend before the uptrend. So let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is trying to do. This GU, you can see market triggers on GU from daily time frame. Let's start from daily time frame. These are swing high here, and these are swing low here. This is what market gave us. This is last break of reduction on daily time frame change of character. Let's move to 4 hour, our 4 hour time frame, our analysis time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what we are seeing. Change of character. After that, market will get this FEG and continue the uptrend. So this is what the market is doing, and this place has served as what resistance. This place has served as resistance. So if probably market, if possible, market want to push it down again, market is coming to this demand, and this place will serve as liquidity. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. But on 4 hour time frame, this is the net supply we are what we are taking the profit. But let's just wait. Let's see what how this deal is going to decide. Seriously, if it goes not decide well, it's going to be here, and our stop loss will be what will be lower here. Will be lower there. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see the structure. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see there's FEG down here. There's FEG. This space serves as liquidity. This is the other block that pushed the market down. This is an inducement market that pushed the market up. And all market together and serve as liquidity market need to sweat. So let's just wait if this 4 hours resistance is we try to push the market down again. This is the trade we took yesterday, and our stop TTP will be here. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. Seriously. Let's see what the market is trying to do, because this is the last break of structure. Market mitigated the break of structure, saved it to liquidity and 14 billion. So let's see what the market is trying to do. I'm still expecting the market to come to this demand before we can see a bullish, seriously. So let's move to EU. Let's see what EU has for us. Where's my face to it? Let's see what EU has for us. This is EU also, and this is from daily time frame. This is the last break of structure we have, and these are our swing high. Yeah, and these are our swing low here. And this is the last, you can see this is the last break of structure on daily time frame and change shape of character. Let's move to 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, our analysis time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. You can see it's my align with the market, and this is the recent break of structure market gave us. But later on, this will serve as liquidity, because the retreat where we took this trade is not serve as what is not serve as 50%. It does not retrace 50%. You can see it does not retrace 50%. So if I can try to push it, market this will serve as liquidity sometime as time goes on. And this is what the market is trying to do. You can see this is the last break control market gave us this change of character. After market gave us this place serve as what? Serve as serve as key level for us. So let's move to 1 hour. Since we did not see opportunity on 1 hour, let's go and read 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is market structure shift, and there is what there's FEG on 1 hour time frame, in which we are still expecting the market to come down before we can see bullish. This Let's just be patient. This is the where the market is. This is the key level market is. This is the key level the market is, seriously. And you can see this player has turned to resistance safe. This is the key level the market is. It has turned to resistance. Market has turned to resistance here. You can see. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is 1 hour time frame and market is inside resistance. Let's see if this resistance trying to push the market down. Definitely it's coming to this FEG, and this FEG is going to push it out. This is the mechanism, and all this where we have as liquidity. Seriously, let's just see what the market is trying to do. Seriously, as for me, this is our liquidity straight for me. We can see a huge downtrend safe. We can see a downtrend. Maybe we can see a downtrend, but let's just focus. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see market structure shifts. Because all this place, the market structure shifts. So if market come to this FEG again, we can see a huge downtrend. Let's just say we are still it. As I've said this several times. No, the correctional movement. I don't like it. I don't like taking correctional movement. So let's just see if this correctional movement is going to obey. If we see any downtrend, definitely we are selling. Yeah, this way we are selling. These are our TP, and our stop loss will be what? Our stop trade will be below above this liquidity shelf. As for me, this is a liquidity shelf market. So let's see if we can still expect a huge downtrend again. Let's see if we can see a downtrend again. This is what I'm saying. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ is trying to do. This is UJ, and from daily time frame, this is our swing high. This is our swing high. This is our swing low here. And all these ones serve as what? Serve as induce. This all these ones serve as inducement because it does only pay 50% to serve as liquidity inducement. So let's just wait. Let's see if we can see a push down. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is doing. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. After the break of structure, market shed it turn to breakout block. So I'm still expecting the market to set this liquidity over here before I can see which downtrend. So I'm still expecting a downtrend from what UJ again. But before we can expect the UJ downtrend, we got be patient from here. We guys be patient. Seriously. They said it's going to happen, but we got to be patient. We can all these places has to liquidity market need to straight again. If you want to take this trade and buy, you can buy. But me, I'm not taking correctional movement. As I used to say, correctional movement sometimes I don't take it. Sometimes if I see it clear, yeah, we take it. But if we later enter my stop trade and we know that I've killed my panic, you can see all this was our liquidity. This is liquidity. Okay, this is true. Oh, before we can see you, Daniel, but there's FEG, there's liquidity downtrend before you can see. So we are still this is the major sell we are expecting. Let's move to GJ. Let's see what GJ is trying to do for us. GJ and UJ, they are the same thing. These are our swing high and these are our swing low. This is the major demand I'm expecting the market to mitigate it. No matter how, I'm still expecting this place to make it. And these are breakout block. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, and this is the breaker block we are expecting the market. So I'm still expecting the market to set this liquidity up here before I can see a huge downtrend again. Seriously, because all this ones have as liquidity market is trending. So let's move to this is what you can say. This is the liquidity. If you want to take this trade, you can just take this, but I'm not taking any correctional movement since I've seen the major sell from what from 4 hour from 4 hour time frame. Definitely, I will probably wait for the sell. We are selling on GJ, the sell has not happened. We are selling on UJ, the sell has not happened. We are selling to buy on EU, but the sell we are still waiting the sell at this key level to happen before we can sell. We are selling. We let's move to let's move to GGU. This is GU. This is the key level. Let's see what is going to happen in this key level. Let's see what is going to happen in this key level. If we sell Apple from this key level, everything coming from your bottom. All this way serve as liquidity. Market was just figure out this supply and continue downtrend before we can see uptrend. This is what is happening also. We can just see a liquidity sell from here. Markets mitigate this supply and continue the downtrend happen. So as for now, this is where we are buying. This is where we are buying. Let's move to US 30. This is US 30. This is what's happening on US 30. This is 4 hour skill level. You can see market after market reaching here, you can see how the seller are pushing it, the buyer you can see this is the week. The buyer first push it down. Where is it here? The seller push it back. You can see the buyer push it back, the seller push it back, the seller pushes back, the buyer push it back. You can see what is happening. But let's see if this candle is going to close. If it's close, if it's remains 7 minutes, if it's close, definitely the sell is going to happen. And on 15 on this is that reconstruction, this is reconstruction, this is reconstruction, and we can just see what change of character for you. But probably we on 1 hour time frame market is giving us this is where the opportunity is. We can just take this buy to this place seriously. You can just take buy to this key level again. This is what I'm seeing on what on US 30. I'm buying from here. I'm buying from here to this take profit and I'll stop take profit stop trade will be below here. So let's see US 30. Let's see what you gold has for us. This is gold also. This is where we are buying on gold also. This is another opportunity we are buying on gold. But our CP must be inside this supply. Let's see if this supply is trying to push it back again. We don't know what the supply is trying to do. But all is going to break it. If it's trying to break it, definitely we are taking our TP, our TP here. So let's see sliver. Let's see what sliver is doing. This is what sliver is doing. If probably the market is coming down, definitely we are taking our take profit here. So let's just be focused. Let's see what the market is because this is other block and this is FEG. We are taking buy. So this is what I'm seeing. Let's see what is happening on crypto. Let's see what crypto is giving us. If we do not see any opportunity on crypto, we are not analyzing it. But if we see opportunity, we are still analyzing BTC. This is what we analyzed yesterday. You can see how markets do it. Serve as liquidity. On daily time frame, this is what the market is giving. This is market structure sheet, break of structure, market sweep, this liquidity overall. After market sweep, they will give us break of structure, give us market as liquidity. This is demand market enter. Market will just sweep this liquidity, come to this demand. You can see option, and this is another break of this is another break of structure. So let's just wait for market to come to this demand before we can see a huge what? A huge buy. Seriously, because this is the last record, this is change of character. Let's see if the market may come to that demand before we can see which buy. Seriously. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see 4 hour time frame today. This is change of character. This is what 4 hours is trying to do for us. So this serve as liquidity on our latest time frame. All this one serve as liquidity. Let's see if the market may come back here before we can see a valid uptrend. But we don't know what the market is trying to do. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see the opportunity. This is the recent opportunity we did on 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of the market. This is other block we said market is mitigated, and this is where the market is. So let's just see if the market is coming down because all these ones have as liquidity for me. So market need to sweep before we can see which uptrend. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum is trying to do. So this is Ethereum. This is from daily time frame. We are seeing this. You can see this swing high. This market. This market structure shift, break of structure. This is our skill level self. Market has been touching this several times. You can see. And but let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's read the structure of 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure. This market has already showed this liquidity. Market mitigated here, but there is FEG here. So let's see this SVG is still valid to push the market up. So this is what I'm saying today. This is the opportunity we are seeing. So let's stay calm and be patient so that we can be a profitable seriously. If you want more of this, please kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the next video. Thank, peace, and love. May this remaining days in this week favor us, and may this month be our month, and may we all be successful, profitable trader in our trading journey and in other skills we are doing. Peace and love. Have a peaceful and have a blessed day. Thanks.